The check waka continue as Edo State Oil and Gas Producing Areas Development Commission, wey pipo sabi as EDSOPADEC, don again carry waka enter Orhionmwon local government area to go chook eye and torchlight the ongoing and completed projects wey the commission dey do for the local government area. Some of the projects na Benin Abraka Road, High Court of Justice, Registrar and Servant Quarters for Magistrate Court, Edo State Judiciary Magistrate Court wey dey relocated to 90 Abudu, Abudu Bridge for Abudu community, and electrification for Ugbedu community. Beneficiaries for Orhionmwon local government area contrary salute to Edo State government, and the commission say the project go attract plenty people to the community.
Make I first thank the state government for bringing this kind of project to community, because things like this can open up community faster. We started doing the foundation July 2022. Now we start the project there. So all of them were running simultaneously, them just they run together. The High Court, this one, and the other one, foundation were being laid all together. So since that day come, the thing run well. It run well, but suddenly the thing can still slow down. So me want use this opportunity, appeal to the state government, make them facilitate this thing. Make they one of the legacy project when go live. Me they see what thing they do for Benin. I want to give example. That one when they do for Yaro. Now that one just gone me name when they call and wait and see. Me go Yaro, I know how that place be before. Suddenly the way the thing they spread, like say now day and night. Then take the work for that place. Say, if we use that speed, come and finish this place for us, it will be good. The community will be happy about it.
Last month, my contractor called me, say make I come work for, my can supervise one bridge like that for Abudu at Orhionmwon River. So I just came and I met the work. And then they tell me, say, the bridge they just nearly built down about just less than, or like approximately 4 years now. And then the river started eroding the foundation. So we just discovered that the whole of under the bridge, particularly that other wing, has been flushed off by water. So we started work, and then we decided to bring the gabion. We just arrange a stone on a wire mesh so as to kind of allow the reservation of sand, which is actually meant to protect the foundation. So that's what we did, and then we also did some other works on the wings. So I think that's just, at least for what you may have seen here and what we've done so far, it's very sure that the bridge is going to last longer compared to how it was done before. But not that they didn't try, those that did it, but the issue was that the foundations were not properly done, or they were not properly protected. So from the work we did, it is very, very okay now.
I want to appreciate the EDSOPADEC and the state governor. We can help us fix the bridge we didn't collapse before. Then secondly, as the bridge be before, it not too made sense before, because the multi-rainbow and those they still stand on top of the bridge. But thank God for the state governor and the super they can construct the bridge back to us again. But if you can see the bridge now, not as it be before, it can't be now. It can't make sense, can't be very okay. So I want to appreciate God and the EDSOPADEC and the state governor. We can't do the bridge. So I believe say God will see bless and more, and make God see give them more wisdom. So we appreciate them very well. When they can't see they do the bridge for us. If you see the bridge now, not as it be before, they just take their time. They do the bridge for us very well. The thing they okay now. So we appreciate them very more and more. May God give them more wisdom to continue to do their good work with the staff on hand.
Ever since 2 years now, we not get road move the pass they go as. But as president now, our road now it could be like federal. Where federal they stay, everywhere now Lalontia, Bole. We appreciate Oba Seki. They do our road for us, and we still the president they go, and we must still the plan for a vote. Make the way they go, because we still do to our community. Orhionmwon local government from Benin to Abraka, we are very appreciate. Everywhere was Lalontia. We can always sleep from the Lalontia.
Chief Osuma ati Orhionmwon Ogbeduna a project ne Obaseki Mure SOPADEC Magogoyo Upa Imaimopa Ewuma Wayewebo. Wake Rebanya Upa Adahiena. So we are very, very happy for that project. So Obaseki, USA, Ogbonge.
My name is Monday Ogbonge, a citizen of Abudu. We have used this medium to thank the governor and EDSOPADEC for this light project, the laudable project they brought to this spring. And the permanent secretary, oil and gas, we thank him very much for putting it in mind to make sure that the light project in this Abudu come to reality. We are very grateful to the government and the EDSOPADEC. Thank you.
The commission come also promise say dem go make sure say dem complete all ongoing projects. Make una no forget say as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Orhionmwon local government area of Edo State, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.